everyone. Today I'm going to show you how can a car which can turn into a robot. Well, here it is. My dad just gave it to me today. I'm going to open this up. I'm going to tip. And then are you ready? Let's see the car. Or the remote. And you got the remote. See? This is the remote. And these are the controllers. And these are some buttons. It makes it light when you press it. Oh, let's open the car. You see? See, everybody? This is the car. Show you all around. It's a Lamborghini. Even though it's red color. And it's red color. As you can see over here. Can you see red color? You see? Okay, now gotta flip it. And then on. Now we can see it. Everybody, we can see it. And those are the lights. Okay, now that's